What's up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja here with another money making solution for you. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you could get paid to test websites. So, if you're liking the content I'm sharing, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with a friend. You could help somebody earn some money. Now, let's get into it. Right off the bat, I'm going to tell you this requires a PayPal account. So if you're in a region that doesn't have PayPal, I'm sorry, but the good thing is PayPal is in many countries. So if you're in some region that doesn't have PayPal, then you're probably one of the odd ones out. But for the most part, PayPal is everywhere. Alright, so I hope that PayPal is in your region. And simply put, how this site works, there are people and companies who will want to know your opinion on certain things, such as their website, their apps. What do you like about the look? Do you like the interface? Was the service quick? When you clicked on the page, did the page load fast? And so on and so on. They just want you to test whatever they're creating and give feedback. Okay? So most of these people, it could even be a website developer, it could be a programmer. These people just want to know how their product is performing. So they will come to user testing, pay user testing for people to do tests and receive your feedback. That way they can tweak things and make them better, and so on and so on. So like it says, you sign up, right? Then you take tests and then you get paid. Now stay to the end of the video because I will share some details about pay and all that jazz. So these people have tested or used user testing as a tester, because like I said, you can actually upload your website to be tested. Tracy says, I absolutely love user testing. I get to test new web and mobile sites and give my user experience, opinion and recommendations to clients. The tests are very clear and the Chrome extension works great. Colin says, I've been very pleased overall with my experience with user testing. I enjoy the ability to earn a little extra money from home on my own schedule. Joanne, who seems older, could be hair dye, I don't know, maybe she bleached her hair, but let's assume she's older. So you can see that there are young people, older people, right, who are using user testing. So you really don't have an excuse to not earn money, especially during this pandemic. Now, you're wondering, okay, so you're here to make money. How much money do I make? Well, if you kept scrolling or if you hit this little question sign here, what I did, I went ahead and typed in how much do I get paid, and it gave some details. It says your payment depends on the type of test you've completed. For a standard 15 to 20 minute desktop or mobile test, you'll be paid $10 US. For live conversations, you'll be paid $30 for 30 minutes, $60 for 60 minutes, $90 for 90 minutes, or $120 for 120 minutes. If your test does not meet your standards or the customer requests a refund, you may not receive payment. All payments are sent in US dollars via PayPal exactly 7 days after your test has been completed. So you'd be earning minimum $10 US per test. Each test usually lasts 15 to 20 minutes. So on average, you'll be doing 3 tests per hour. So you'll be earning potentially $30 US per hour if you do a test. That's a test. If you're doing a live conversation, you'll be earning $1 per minute. So it says $30 for 30 minutes, $60 for 60 minutes. So it's $1 a minute. So if you did a live conversation for an hour, you would be earning $60 per hour. If you were to go crazy and do an 8-hour day, you'd be earning $480 per day, or pretty much $500. It's a win-win. So what you need to do is run to usertesting.com, click get paid to test. Okay, you with me? When that page loads, which is not really loading right now. Okay, what you'll do is you will enter your email address here. So I make $2 million per year at gmail.com. Whatever your email address is, click apply. Actually, you click I have read and agree with the terms of use on our privacy setting. Guys, read it before you click apply. When you read these two and you click apply, then you're good to go. And there will be a notification email, and you're well on your way to earning up to $60 per hour. I kid you not. Try it. You won't be disappointed. Alright, so remember, you get paid 7 days after you complete a test. If you start the first day and you did a series of tests, then you will be paid 7 days later. Alright guys, so that is user testing, usertesting.com. It's easy and straightforward. They will tell you what they want you to do, and you just go on and do the test. Otherwise, if you are interested in not exchanging your time for money and actually building your own business, there are a couple of links in the description below. Check those out. There are also links to things to change your mindset, books to read, and other merchandise that you could purchase to better help you and make you feel better about yourself. Because the person who thinks differently, who thinks wealth, who thinks abundance, who thinks progress, who thinks money, who thinks money is a good thing, these people will attract more money. I kid you not. Click those links below. Check out those reading materials. They helped me. They helped turn my life around, and it's still helping, and I want the same for you guys. And just check the links out, build your own business, or if you want, you could use user testing and spend your time earning money. Either way, I just want you to be okay, and I hope you guys are staying safe and washing your hands, wearing your masks, and all that stuff. So guys, this has been the Internet Income Ninja. Again, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.